Hi, today we are going to be reading words that have ed endings or ing. Now, when we hear these words with the ed, it's usually one syllable. So bike becomes biked. Hop becomes hopped. And when we have a word that ends in a vowel, like the word bike, we just add the D to make it biked. It's important to recognize the root words when reading words that have ed or ing at the end of them. And when we're spelling them, usually if they end in a consonant, then you will double the consonant to add ed, or double the consonant to add ing. There are just a couple of exceptions, and we will see one on the next slide. So let's take a minute and read this word. Bike. Bike. Now we take the root word bike and add D. ed, right? Biked. Biked. The ed ending can either say t or d. And it takes some practice by reading words in order to see when it makes the t sound or the d sound. Let's look at row 1. Let's tap and blend or stretch and slide, as we like to say, to read these words. Up. Hop. That's the base word. Up. Ing. Hopping. I just said the PP sound twice, which really is not right, so I have to do this again with you. Up. Ing. Hopping. So we see our base word, hop, double the consonant, and add ing. Hopping. Let's see if we can read this word. Bike-ing. Biking. Otherwise, it would be bike-ing. Biking. Biked. Biked. Here's our root word. Bike. Bike. Let's read these words the fast way. Hop. Hopping. Biking. Biked. Bike. Look at row 2. I see the base word run. And when we add ing, we double the consonant and add ing when we're spelling it. Let's read it. Run, ing, running. Cloud, cloud. Choice. This is a hard one. We look at 2 letters at a time. CH says ch. OI says oi. And a C next to an E says s. It's the soft C. So it's not choika or chaka. It's choice, choice. Choice, choice. Rabbit. And here's a contraction. Weave. Let's read these the fast way. Running, cloud, choice, rabbit, weave. Row 3. Ooze, choose. Hoped, hoped. It's, jumped. Used. These were hard ones. This ends in a consonant, but we did not double it because this one is an exception, because it's a consonant instead of just a vowel consonant. Let's read these the fast way. Choose, hoped, it's, jumped, used. Those were tricky. try and pause the video and read this sentence. I will first sound it out and then read it with fluency. Jake, spot, ed, spotted, an eel, swimming in a lake. Now I'll read it the fast way with fluency. Jake spotted an eel swimming in a lake. Row 2. Pause the video and try to read this one, please. I, ed, petted the dog as she wagged her tail. Now let's read it with fluency. I petted the dog as she wagged her tail. Please practice these words and these sentences one more time, and then we'll read our decodable text using lots of words with ing and ed at the end.